Hi guys, welcome back to the show Champions of Footballics. My name is Ninad Chilap, and today on show we have got one of the core members of Footballics, Sanchal. Hi Sanchal, welcome to the show. It's great to have you on the show.
Yeah, hi, Nat. Thanks for inviting for the show. It's a pleasure to be a part of the show. Yeah, I think this show has caught up like wildfire.
So tell us how's life and how's it's holding up you in lockdown.
So life is now getting a bit challenging with work from home, but now this has become the new normal, I guess. I'm like eagerly, anticipating the day we can go and kick the ball on the turf. 2020 for me, that would be one of the highlight days. Yeah.
Sure, we are everyone is eagerly waiting for that day. So we want to know about your journey from Odisha to Mumbai. How did you end up in Mumbai?
As a kid, I always wanted to be in the world of finance. So I knew that is a path I have to take. I didn't know कि I have to be in Mumbai for that. Everyone around me was an engineer. वो जो बोलते हैं ना, पत्थर भी मारोगे ना उड़ीसा में किसी पे, either it will hit a doctor or it will hit an engineer. So I always wanted to do a little bit different from that. So I did my engineering, then I did my master, then the global financial crisis came. Then I did, it was a very generalized master, so I went and did my next master that was specialized in finance. So after that, I came back, and in India, the only place you could find any finance job was Mumbai. So in 2012, I came to Mumbai, job search and all. So that is how my journey in Mumbai began. And before coming to Mumbai, I've seen, in Mumbai stories in all the movies and all, how you travel in the local trains and everything. I was really scared about all of those stuff. It took me 2 years to travel in local train. In 2014, I started traveling in local train.
It's
Before
tough to
that, I
travel.
didn't. I was scared. Yeah,
It's tough
yeah.
to travel. Great story there, Sanchal. So tell us about football. Like when did you start playing game of football?
So I used to play football. It's not that we in Odisha we never played football. It was not like that. But football was only played during rainy season. So because when you can't play cricket, what was the next best alternative you had? You had football. I always used to run with the ball. So I remember that is a first memory I have of football. I used to run with the ball, and try to score goals. Then also I was shit at scoring goals. Now also I am. I know that. But yeah, so that is the first 2-3 months every year we used to play football, but it was never anything formal. You just have to be faster than the other guy. That was it about how you used to play football. There was no midfield, no defense, no attack. Whoever got the ball, no formation, nothing. Whoever got the ball just ran with it. That was how football was played in Odisha. But yeah, so having said that, so in 2012 when I came, I always used to love playing sports. So in 2012 when I was searching for job, I had a lot of vacant time. So I used to watch all this. And in Mumbai, my first roommate was Rohit. So Rohit used to play a lot of football, and he had a football at home. I think I still have that football, which is 7 years old, with me in this apartment somewhere. So he used to always juggle and all. He used to tell me ki, one of his friend is there, some Bloomberg connection he had there, play in Shivaji Park. So one day we can go and try. But took him 1 year to try, and it took me also 1 year to go with him. So for 1 year, he didn't even try to go and play football. He used to also play cricket somewhere with his IBM friends. So one fine Sunday morning, he went to Shivaji Park. He played football. I accompanied him. I said, okay, I was not that bad. I thought I would be. I was okay, compared to other people who were not very fit or something. So that was it. So that's how I started playing football in Shivaji Park, and I really liked it. So till the moment I didn't have a job, so every week I used to watch YouTube videos, skill tutorials and all. And I used to wait eagerly for Saturday morning or Sunday morning so that I can go and try some of them. Yeah, so that is how I started with football. Then I joined Motilal, and then there was a football tryout. Ashish was the captain at that point of time. So that's the first time I saw Ashish and Ashwin at the football tryout. So that's how my football journey started with in Mumbai. Yeah.
That's nice. That's really nice. So any player or a person that you admire growing up as a footballer?
Post 2006 World Cup. Then I saw 2006, final Champions League final. That is when I started following Arsenal. So all of this started. I started liking football much more than I used to like cricket because I used to be a cricket fan. I used to keep statistic of cricket, filled in all my notebooks. How many boundaries Sachin Tendulkar scored? How many hundreds he has scored? How many balls he took? How many what is his strike rate? What is his average? Everything, all the details, stat of Ganguly, Tendulkar, Dravid, everything used to be by heart. I was a cricket fanatic at one point of time, but slowly that interest also faded away because cricket always used to be it's not a very secular game. क्रिकेट या तो बैट्समैन खेलता है या तो जो बॉलिंग करता है वो खेलता है फील्डर्स को कोई पूछता नहीं है so football was a game football was a game I felt which involved everyone. It is very secular. Everyone used to touch the ball, so everyone is involved, even the goalkeeper is involved.
True.
So that game took my interest, my interest. So after that it was mostly in my early 20s I started watching football. So in that point of time, for me, the only guy I used to saw and admire was Thierry Henry. I saw the, fading end of his career, but whatever he used to do, he used to mesmerize me. Okay, wow, this guy is like really, really a great striker. And to be very honest, I didn't watch much of Beckham. I didn't watch much of Van Nistelrooy or someone else, or Maradona. I didn't watch much of them. I highly doubt anyone else would have watched a lot of them either. Other than few older public in football, but the younger guys might have also missed Maradona, Thierry Henry or Beckham, the early years. So yeah, so for me, Henry was the main guy I used to like and admire. The way he used to, finish. He was good. He was a cool finisher. That is one thing I noticed. The way he used to open up his hips and pass the ball to the corner of the net. Yeah, so that is what I used to admire about him. So, yeah, for me, at least till the moment he left for Barcelona, he was even in Barcelona I used to track him. So for me, the first guy would be Henry.
It's a really great choice you had.
Right.
So let's talk about football leagues. How did you join the group?
Yeah, so continuing from my story, so I joined Motilal Oswal. So there I got to know. So I think Ashish might have sent a mail through HR for people interested in football. They are trying to form a team. So before that, I used to play with the Bloomberg guys, and there was another, and a funny story. I'll tell you another story. It's digressing a little bit, but I think how important football is for me in this for finding a job. Also, I'll tell you. There's a story that I used to play football with Bloomberg guys. Then suddenly I saw one of my senior from France. He put up some pics, on football regarding he's going to a turf in Malad, and he was playing there. I just contacted him. I never knew that you were a football guy. I just wrote a comment. Where do you go and play? So he said in Malad. Are you interested? So I said I'm also in Mumbai. So if you're interested, you can come and join. So Sunday evenings. I said okay. I was free, and I said yeah, why not? I just joined and I started going and playing with them. So then he asked what you're doing over here and all. So I said I'm still searching for a job, preparing for my CFA and all. So why didn't you tell me before? Send me your CV, and then next 2 weeks I got an interview. I got selected by Motilal Oswal, and that's how I got my job. What Naukri couldn't do for me, that football did for me.
That's
So
really
that is
amazing.
one. Yeah. So that's how important football has been for me. All my contacts, all my industry contacts, everything I have done through football. So yeah, coming back to the point. So when I joined Motilal Oswal, I think it has been a year or something, maybe a little bit more than a year. So I saw an email from HR coming, anyone interested in playing football. So I was already playing regularly during the weekends and also sometime on Monday nights. So I thought, why not? Let's go and try it. Let's see how good the Motilal team is. Um, so the tryouts were at Vadala. So I went over there early morning, and they were early morning tryouts. So I went there. So I was searching for this, and to be very honest, till that day I never went to Vadala. That movie IMAX. I never went over there. So the tryout was over there, the dribble. So I didn't know. I was searching, kahan pe hai ye turf? So then I saw, a fat little kid, all tip top, full socks till knee, jersey in, tucked in, and like a good school boy, the school monitor kind of a guy, school leader boy. So that kind of a personality, walking with all geared up with football kit, walking towards Ahmedabad. I said, okay, where is this Fatso going to play? Maybe I might just go over there. There might be tough over there only. He went up the MX Vadala turf to the roof. So there I saw a few of the people over there assembled, and I recognized someone from my office. So I slowly went behind him, followed him, and I also reached the destination. Then I got introduced to, I think, Ashish, and then I got to know the other fatty boy was Ashwin. Like that is how I saw you first time. So the bad boy I saw was Ashwin, and I was like, how good can this guy play? Why did he even come? So that was my first reaction. The moment the tryout started, fuck, he was one of the best player I had ever seen. He was doing all kind of skill tricks, everything. Shots were awesome, tricks were awesome. I was like, wow, this guy is so great. What is his name? I just went and asked. So where do you stay? I never saw you at in a office building and all. He said, no, I work in the Malad office and I stay in Chembur. I said, oh, Chembur you stay? That's close by to my house. So where do you play? I said, I play at Kesa. Okay, when do you play? Because I was so, inspired by him. I was like, I want to play where this guy plays. Maybe they teach you how to be a better footballer. So I asked him when. So he said, you can come and every Sunday we play like 6 to 8, and Saturday we play 6 to 8. I said, sure, of course I'll come. I'll join you guys. So that is how I came. I joined. I think somewhere in 2015 with Ashwin's group. I think at that time he had Shreyas was coming, and there were a lot of his building people who used to come and play. And the earliest slot used to be played by Kiran. I think that's how I saw you. I think 4-5 or 4-6 he used to play. 6-8 used to be uh, Ashwin's turf. So I had a lot of time and energy. So I used to play from 4-5, take a bit of rest, wait for Ashwin's team to come, and I used to play with them from 6-8. So for me, my weekend was going awesomely. So then suddenly one day what happened? Yeah. So that is how then I think there were too few people in both of the slots, and then they merged it. So that is how football leagues I think formed also. Right.
That's
So
really
that was the story.
nice. That's really nice. So you have played FPL tournaments. Can you tell me any top three moments that is there in your mind?
So the first moment that comes to my mind is the IFL tournament where we won with Ashwin header. That would be the highlight for me. Yeah, the last moment header, and then you winning it on the penalty kick out. That was the highlight for me. The second one would be one, I think FPL 6 or 7. I don't remember. The final was 1-0. So it was Karthik made a mistake in defense. The ball came to Ian. Ian handled it on his chest. He chested the ball and then took a volley, half volley kind of shot. It was the only goal. So that moment I remember as well. It was a 0-0 game. There Ian's strike was, the difference maker. And the other one would be, I think, the first FPL tournament. I think it's there on everyone's book. Whoever attended that tournament, that would be there, because coming from 3-0 down to win it 4-3, yeah. Those are three important moments for me. Yeah.
So you have played with almost all the players of football leagues. Can you name the dream seven for us? Like, what will be your dream seven?
So my dream seven would be very different from other people's dream seven, because I believe football is not about the best being the best player. It's about the best hardworking best work ethic, and people who are willing to do everything. So my team would be very different. My team would obviously have me.
So
So
you have to
that
be that
goes
one.
without saying. Yeah, yeah, but I won't be having any designated keeper. So in my team, everyone is going to keep. So obviously, Mohite also finds a place in this team, first person, because I think he has improved tremendously as a player, and he is one player I don't want to play against. Let me put it that way. I rather have him in my team than play against him. So Mohite is one player, and he can also be a striker if he harnesses his energy and channels his inner striker. Now he can be that Adama Traore if you want him to be. So I think he has a lot of potential. He has to be in my team. So that is one guy. The other guy would be Harish. Harish has to be in my team because of his running, tireless running. He makes those beautiful runs. If you are a playmaker, now you would love to play with someone like Harish. Sagar is going to be there in my team. So Ashish has to be there in my team. And Kunal goes without saying. So last one is a tough choice between KDB or Shravan, but I think I'll go for Shravan. Shravan is again a guy who runs a lot,
True.
off the ball. So I like him. So for me, the striker would be Ashish, Sagar, KDB. Sorry, KDB. I'm saying Shravan and Kunal would be there in the mid. So defense would be consisting of me, Harish, and Mohite, with everyone keeping at least for equal amount of duration during the match time. So that is how my dream team would be.
That's
So no one
brilliant.
is a proper keeper.
It's a brilliant and it's a challenging team for to defeat.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks a lot,
Yeah.
Sanchal. It
Thanks.
was fun knowing you. Stay safe.
If you guys like the show, please do like, share, and subscribe.